Hi everyone and welcome back to the Circle Military Frequency. Anchors have existed nearly as long as ships, and with good cause. Typically constructed of hefty metal, anchors are used to secure a ship to the ocean floor. Though there are a variety of forms, most have two or more flukes or hooks that hold the seafloor, preventing the boat from floating in choppy weather or strong winds. Among the main laws of anchors, the larger the ship, the larger the anchor must be. Therefore, when it comes to mooring 1,000-foot-long, 100,000-ton aircraft carriers, the anchor and chain must be monstrous. In fact, the average aircraft carrier anchor weighs approximately 30,000 pounds and has a chain length of approximately 1,440 feet. Due to the significance of their function, these components must be assessed often using procedures such as the anchor drop test. Large vessels, such as aircraft carriers, are not meant to have their anchors cast overboard. Instead, they are equipped with a sturdy mechanical system that covers many ship compartments. The lowest room is called the chain locker. When the ship is underway, the hundreds of feet of chain are stowed here. The chain locker and chain are connected to the wind generator via a shaft. Glass room commonly found on aircraft carriers with two anchors. There is one windlass room in the bow and one at the stern. A windlass is a big winch that handles the lowering and raising of the anchor as the ship turns. It is equipped with specialized drums known as wildcats for anchoring. These also serve as a braking mechanism when the anchor is lowered. During operation, anchors and anchor chains are subjected to substantial stress. Even though chain links are normally composed of high-strength steel, the combination of friction during dropping and hoisting and exposure to corrosive salt water can weaken them and cause them to shatter. Therefore, anchor chains must occasionally be repaired when docked and sailing. This is often accomplished through a technique called as a manual check. This will be done in the chain locker or the wind final room while the ship is in motion, which can be exceedingly difficult. The complete chain can be laid out on the pier so that each link can be evaluated separately. The objective is to guarantee that the anchor has no weak spots, cracks, or other flaws that could cause it to fail. This entails inspecting all links and shackles, as well as tightening loose pins connecting anchor portions. If these crew members overlook a weak area, the ship's ability to complete its mission safely could be severely compromised. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you later.